Driving the van, driving the van, driving the van, driving the van. Bon voyage, dog.
We're not supposed to photograph.
Look at that. You can say that anywhere.
It says here.
Alright.
Oh, I miss the front sunny.
Oh, there you go.
Killers, please.
België. What have you seen, Kerry? Oh my goodness. Why is that? It's not a pupper, that's a rat. So, first beer in Belgium. What did you go for? Ramus. What do you reckon? Nice? Go for it. Verdict? It's a good waffle. Oh, hey. It appears we've found the beer Bible. This is a book full of beer.
And chocolate boobies.
Well, would you look at that? Culture. There we are. Ready for our first night sleeping in a tea towel.
They are proper tea towel.
Oh well, still.
It's cosy.
It'll do.
It's warm.
Breakfast. There's going to be many unknowns on this holiday, but the greatest unknown is how long my bag's going to last. I mean, it has been going for what? Maybe 10 years, I think I've had that for.